good morning from Croatia. Today we are taking you to the most beautiful island in Croatia, Mljet. Currently we are in Prapratno, from where we have a ferry to Mljet. Tickets cost around $6-7 per person, but if you are with a car, the price is $60-70. And guys, we are coming to Sobra on island Mljet. The ride was around 45 minutes.
Mljet is Croatia's greenest island with its untouched nature, clear and clean sea, gentle sandy shoreline, and a wealth of underwater sea life. Mljet is well known for its white and red wine, olives, and goat's cheese, and it is indeed an unspoiled island covered by a dense Mediterranean forest. According to legend, Odyssey was so enchanted by Mljet that he stayed here for 7 years. The best part of the island is National Park Mljet, which is the oldest marine protected area in the Mediterranean. We're at the National Park Mljet. This is one of the best national parks in Croatia, and the best way to explore the park is to rent a bike.
This is first time that me and little traveler are on the bike together. Guys, National Park Mljet, it's amazing. Usually here it's hot, but today we have cloudy weather and it's perfect to explore the island. We will ride a bike around Veliko and Malo Jezero, and these two lakes are saltwater lakes. Now we will visit caves in National Park Mljet. Wow! The caves are stunning, and the best part is we are alone here. National Park Mljet, it's never busy, so I strongly recommend to visit. If you like hiking trails, Mljet it's a perfect location. Mljet has some of the best hiking trails in all Croatia.
Within the national park are two saltwater lakes, Veliko and Malo Jezero. Both lakes stretch about 4 kilometers. The lakes used to be ordinary freshwater lakes, but because of the narrow channel through Solin Bay, the lakes have been connected to the sea, transforming them into saltwater lakes. This is a unique geological and oceanographical phenomenon, and one that is of significance to the whole world.
This small canal connecting Malo Jezero with Veliko Jezero, and it's a perfect place to stop by and swim.
The park's entire area is abandoning with life and numerous endemic and endangered species. The most interesting feature of the park is St. Mary's Island and its 12th century Benedictine monastery with St. Mary Church, both encircled by high stone-built walls and guarded by a tall defensive tower. Abandoned in the 19th century by the monks, the monastery features a nice restaurant, a cafe, and a souvenir shop.
Tickets to enter National Park Mljet cost around $25 and includes a boat ride to island St. Mary. The boat goes every 30 minutes. On the island they have 2 restaurants on site, but be prepared to pay higher prices than usual. This is very small church. St. Mary from outside looks amazing, but when you go inside, oh my God, it's so beautiful. inside the Mljet National Park are many places where you can swim. But for me and a little traveler, the best places are on St. Mary Island. Oh my god, he's so tired. He went to sleep inside this seat. That's crazy. Beautiful sunset, we are done for today. And guys, just remember, the last ferry from Mljet leaves at 7:30 p.m. Thank you for watching, and see you next week from our new destination. Bye!